अरे अमित सर आप ही आइए। अमित सर आप ही आगे।
नसीम भाई
ये रोड सर आपके नाम से जाना चाहिए ऐसा करिए। नक्षत्र गार्डन बनाने का आइए सुधा जी।
देख के वीडियो ना
सुधा जी बच्चों सर ज्वाइन करो ना करो करो ज्वाइन करो
नाही पडणार
We'll do it at the other one.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
इकडनं जायचं इकडनं जवळ आहे तर याच जात आहे ना बड़ा करते वो लोग को निकलने दो
कछुआ सर
नहीं है मैं आप छुप जाएंगे इसके पीछे एवरीबॉडी हियर
दिस वे प्लीज
Sir, really good to see you. It's one of the fantastic, finest initiative which is taken by you. Tell us how important it is for everyone who are part of India, who are part of Mumbai.
See, what we've seen is during the cyclone, mid-May, a lot of trees all over the city were uprooted. And it is very important to maintain the tree cover of the city. Like, for example, every city has its own speciality. So, whenever you land in any city, from the airplane, you see its speciality. For example, if you go to the north, you see snow. Similarly, when you land in Mumbai, you see a lot of trees. We have been able to maintain a lot of trees in spite of the development that the city has seen. We have been able to maintain the tree cover of the entire city. And especially during cyclone, it is very important to replace all the trees which were uprooted, which were broken down, which had come down. So to maintain the tree cover of the city and to maintain sustainable development, it was extremely important. So I congratulate the K West Ward for taking the initiative, and Madam Sudha Singh, who is the ward committee chairman of this K West Ward, and the entire staff, the garden department, who has taken this initiative to replant those trees which were uprooted and identifying various basins like these on roads and footpath. which are actually tree basins, but there is no tree inside that basin. So they are identifying all these basins and planting trees wherever all these basins are empty. And I think this is a great initiative. This is the right time to do this. During monsoon is a very good time to plant trees. So with these kind of initiatives, citizens coming together, if each and every society, each and every resident group and citizens group come together and actually take care of the trees in their vicinity, in their surroundings, it will be very nice, and the burden on the BMC will also come down. So the residents of this Gulmohar Road, Kalpatru Solitaire and the surrounding Ramdas Path have come together and taken this initiative, and we are not going to stop with only planting 2 trees or 3 trees, but we are planning to adopt the entire lane in which we plant trees on both sides depending upon the feasibility, of course, because nowadays we also see that there are a lot of utilities below roads and footpaths, and the roots of the trees should not interfere with the utilities also. So looking at the feasibility, we will try and plant as many trees as possible on roads and footpaths in this particular area.
As you said just right now, sir, there are people who from the society also involved. How important parenting of a plant is very important. Somebody who are part of the society should, he have to or she have to be there for the plant to water it or to look after.
See, citizens' initiatives are extremely very important, because looking at the size of the city, 1.5 crore population in this entire city, BMC takes care of 1.5 crore people. And it is not really possible for every ward department, garden department to reach each and every corner, take care of each and every tree on roads and footpaths. So if citizen associations, citizens come forward and take care and adopt trees in their vicinity, and everyone does this, then I think the load on BMC will be decreased to a very large extent, because we see that we plant a lot of trees during monsoon, but after monsoon, maybe they sustain till December, but post-December as February comes in, then a lot of trees don't sustain, because continuous watering is not done, and the taking care, the parenting aspect is not there. So if citizens come forward, take care of various trees in their vicinity, the load on BMC will decrease, and we will be able to sustain the trees that we have planted.
सुधा जी, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, काफ़ी 1 महीना हो गया, 1 महीने से ज़्यादा हो गया आप जुड़े हुए हैं इस पूरे इनिशिएटिव के साथ।
भी जैसे देखिए सर ने बताया, तो एक हम लोगों का प्रोटोकॉल है, अगर हमारे एमएलए ने बात की तो फिर हम कॉर्पोरेटर नहीं बोल सकते। ये है हमारे सिटीजन है यहाँ पे।
सर प्लीज।
Yeah, we are trying to maintain the Ramdas Samath Road full as an organization, Rotary Club of Bombay Juhu Beach, and many of the societies are now coming forwarding to do this. Yes, see, this is area of a Gulmohar area. Nowadays we cannot see Gulmohar; they are gone. We want to bring them back. The support of Amit Satam and Sudha ji.
अमित जी जैसे शख्सियत जब आते हैं और इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बनते हैं, खुद वो बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेते हैं, तो कितनी हौसला अफजाई होती है।
सर तो लगता है कि काम हो जाएगा।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू। सर आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, कितने ज़्यादा पेड़ लगा चुके हैं और कितना सही इनिशिएटिव जा रहा है और कितनी अवेयरनेस हो रही है लोगों में?
अभी रोड साइड जो झाड़ गिरे वहाँ हमने अभी तक 50 से ज़्यादा झाड़ लगा दिए रोड साइड में, और विद इन ए प्लॉट गार्डन में या प्राइवेट सोसाइटी में अब तक कम से कम 400-500 झाड़ हमने प्लांट कर दिए। बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है, इसलिए लोग फ़ोन करके खुद आगे आके हम लोगों को फ़ोन कर दिए कि हम लोगों को इसको झाड़ लगा के चाहिए, तो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है।
मैम आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप तो शुरू से हेमा जी, अभिषेक, फिर अभी साटम साहब भी आए थे, सब दोनों तरफ के फील्ड से, पॉलिटिकल, और क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसमें?
एक सबसे ये कि पब्लिक अवेयरनेस हो रहा है, हर एक जगह सीनियर सिटीजन लोग आ रहे हैं, सब लोग उसमें पार्टिसिपेट हो रहे हैं, और जो एक्ट्रेस लोग हैं वो भी पार्टिसिपेट हो रहा है। तो एक लोगों में एक अवेयरनेस हो रहा है कि झाड़ का भी उनको वैल्यू, अभी कोरोना के जो टाइम चल रहा है तो उसमें झाड़ का इम्पोर्टेंस सबको भी पता है, सब लोग खुद होके पार्टिसिपेट हो रहे हैं, तो अच्छा लगता है।
थैंक यू।